Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and actually not a whole lot to update as far as the annotations I added. Yeah, the price was all over the place, but when all has been said and done, the levels of resistance that I talked about as being levels of resistance, those are the same, and same with the area of support. What I am going to do, though, is a little bit adjustment. So just for house cleaning perspective, I'm going to get rid of that line there and also adjust this level up here a little bit more that we have more data. So as far as kind of the newer levels of resistance, or more so, prevalent levels, seems as though 43 cents is going to be that key level to watch going forward. Although the cue the dramatic music, the level to watch, because that pink line there is the 200 period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself down below there. And from that point of view, at that point, that is where the that level would take higher priority. So yeah, right now, 43 cents, technically speaking, is the key level of resistance. But if the price can push up through there, the next key level is the 200 period. Again, if you're new with charts, I realize I'm kind of going back and forth. But this line, if you watch this very closely as Tuesday and then Wednesday play out, that line will keep on moving downwards and eventually cross down below 43. And at that moment in time, the pink line there, the 200 period, has higher priority of resistance over 43. But as of right now, as the chart looks, you got to give the first priority there to 43 cents. But it's looking like the keyer thing right now, I don't think that's a word. The key thing right now is going to be this level down here at right around 37 cents, because yeah, the price is doing a good job of holding up above it. So if the price cannot hold above that, though, the next important level to watch is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that level, if this 37-cent mark cannot hold. And I don't want to say the chart's ruined, because it's not. But I will say, it feels as though today's price movement, was the movement where if there's going to be any sort of worthwhile follow through, that was going to be it. But also, I don't want to jump the gun, because you got to give credit's due. Not only is the price staying up above the 37-cent mark, but it is still up above the 50 period moving average. But if the price drops below 35 cents, or worse yet, continues on down, at that point in time, it would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements where, the price movement goes back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. But yeah, things are looking shaky, but the bulls still have a chance, so we'll see if they can get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.